Meaning of freestanding.
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 Freestanding. Freestanding refers to an object or structure that is self-supporting and does not need to be attached to a wall, ceiling, or any other external support. A freestanding structure can stand alone without any additional support due to its design and construction. Such structures include furniture, sculptures, and buildings like pavilions, towers, and monuments. Freestanding objects are often used for decorative purposes or added functionality. They can also provide flexibility in terms of placement and movement since they do not require attachment to a specific support structure.